Huh. So this is what starting a universe looks like. Neat. Oh. What the? Shut up. Might as well put it on. Yeah, okay. Suits me. Really does. Right. Oh wait, my powers. Let's see. Can't test them on anything. What could I test them on? What could I test them on? Oh, myself. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Well, my powers definitely work. Okay. Wait, should be done. And in about 3, 2, 1, he should snap to life. Oh, hey, Louie. Hey, Petey. Okay, so we're in the universe. Yeah, we are. Can you pull me around? It's pretty much glass. Cool. Look, you're gonna be the second god of this universe. There is something else, like an other that is way, 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 way more powerful than us, and kind of just spawned me in here like Minecraft. But we do not talk to it, and we do not ask it for things. It looks upon us and leaves us alone. We leave it alone. Done. Bang, boom. Now come on, you got training. Ooh, got training. This will be fun. Oh, that was intense, but at least I have powers now. Look. Oh shit. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna leave you to this. Have fun. Oh, okay. The other. I could have this place all to myself. Louie's just in the way, though. I can move him out the way. This is just grass. God, it's so fucking boring walking around it all day. Hello? I'm a god. You don't want to fuck with me. Hello? Okay, I definitely had something that time. Hello? Hey, come on out. Don't bite, I kill. Oh, Petey? Hello, Louie. Where the hell am I? Why can't I break these fucking chains? Oh my god! Petey? Hello, Louie. Let me out now! Yeah, I'm real sorry, but I can't do that, you see. With you out the way, now I can make this universe pretty much my bitch. I can do anything I want. Look, let me go. You'll do what? You can't do shit. Because those chains are made by the other, and they're stronger than you. You cannot break through them. The other way. Wait, what? How? I may have lied. Told him I was a good soul. There was no gender. Them I was a good soul. Stupid thing listened. Anyway, I'm gonna start building all my prisons to capture other gods. But you have fun here. Ciao, ciao. Imprison. Hey! No! Don't let me go! Let me go! Let me go! Insane! Let's go, baby. I made it. Right. Time to teach that fucking cat a lesson. My new prison is coming on perfectly. Oh, shit! Surprise, asshole! You really think a gun is gonna stop me? Oh, please, this ain't just any gun. This is the gun that can kill fucking gods. Now! Let's dance. I can't move. You should be thanking me. Not exploding your own heart, for God's sakes. But what I am doing is worse. As you know, this gun can kill gods, including me. Which is why I'm going to use it to kill you. Go ahead, shoot me. I'll still live on, though. I'll outlive you, even. You know, I always told my friends that the people who would backstab us in life would be the ones that were most delusional. Looks like I was right. Go ahead, shoot me, but I can never die. Can never die my ass. Time to bury the body. Hey, Petey. It's been quite a while, hasn't it? Ever since, tried to almost kill me. I mean, it's been over 3.8 billion years, but, I mean, that's not that long, I guess. I've always wondered what would have happened if, you never turned evil. Like, what could have happened? But, obviously, this place is way too overgrown now. Pretty damn different from when we fought, but, I mean, this is still the exact spot I buried you at, so, yeah. Goodbye, Petey. For good.